Raspberry Pi microwave emissions reduction. First, a quick overview. Raspberry Pi 3B booting with wireless LAN and Bluetooth turned on. Now, Raspberry Pi 3B booting with wireless LAN and Bluetooth turned off. According to the acoustometer, which will be explained more shortly, the microwave energy was similar for wireless LAN on and off. This is how it was turned off. ifconfig seemed to confirm that wireless LAN was off. In any case, my goal is to eliminate the microwave energy, and the rest of this video shows what an aluminum box can do. And now with Wi-Fi turned off, the Pi has finished booting. Now without the aluminum foil. This device measures peak volts per meter since it was turned on, and peak volts per meter continuously, and average microwatts per square meter continuously. Here are background measurements. Minimum microwave energy, 0.1 volts per meter since it was turned on, less than 0.02 volts per meter peak continuously, an average less than 1 microwatt per square meter continuously. Full documentation at EMFields-solutions.com. The rest of the video shows how to construct this aluminum container. With the box totally closed, the Raspberry Pi 3B temperature was about 55 degrees under light usage, the maximum of 60 degrees under heavy usage. The Raspberry Pi 2B booting with detectors close as possible. Peak during the boot was 0.27 volts per meter. Continuously, the peak was 0.06 volts per meter, and the average less than 1 microwatt per square meter. The Raspberry Pi B Plus, in a commercial plastic container and the detectors close as possible, emitted microwave radiation no higher than the background.